The number one thing I hear from customers is they want to sell their home faster and for more money. And we start out by asking them one simple question. I'm Gigi of Jax with Pickett Home Advisors with your real estate tip. We love to ask customers, what do they love most about their current home? When you tell us what you love most about your current home, you're not just listing features, checking off boxes. You're sharing your emotional connection to the home and giving clues as to what buyers would be most attracted and choose your home as the obvious choice in their buying process. We then can extract this information and include the answer in our marketing materials for potential buyers to see. This connection can help us appeal to a buyer on a deeper level, allowing them the opportunity to have that same emotional feeling and connection to your home that you do. This is by telling a story using emotional connections that can ultimately lead to a higher sale price and faster sale of the home. I'm Gigi of Jax. If you want more tips on how to make your home stand out, drive traffic to your property, and become the obvious choice for buyers in this ever-changing market, follow me for more, save this post for later, or reach out to me. I'd love to chat.